Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update by USB your PS4 and the common issues you may have doing this and the solutions. This was requested by user RedYBlue. If you guys have any other video suggestions and you'd like to see me make, just let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to make those videos. Anyhow, enjoy the video and like and subscribe. Thanks guys. So one of the things we need to do this update is a thumb drive or USB storage device. This is one I have here. This is pretty standard. It has about 8 gigs, as you can see there, but you can use as little as maybe 1 gig. The update's only about 450 megabytes, so a gig will work fine. The one thing you don't want to use is something like this. This is an external drive. It's most likely not going to work. Use the USB thumb drive. That will be actually recognized by your PS4 and will present you with less issues with regards to the PS4 actually doing the update successfully. So now we're going to take the thumb drive and actually stick it in the computer. Yours might be a little bit different. This one's kind of small. You might have a full tower. Basically, we're looking for the USB ports. As you can see here, I have one. It's yellow. Yours could be a different color. It could be blue. But we're going to take this in. It only plugs in one way, and it just kind of slides in there. And there you go. Now the thumb drive is in the computer. So now that we've put the USB drive into the computer, you'll see at the lower right hand corner of your computer screen a notification of a USB drive. And now what we want to do is we want to open this. So we're going to go down to the lower toolbar and then click on the folder icon here. Once we click on this, it's going to go ahead and open our File Explorer. We're going to go up to our computer here, and you'll see on the right hand side we have this USB drive. Now go ahead and right click on this. We want to go to the properties of this. And then the thing we want to confirm is that the file system is a FAT32. It has to be a FAT32 to actually work. If it's not, we need to right click on it, click Format. A new window pops up here, and you're going to see the capacity. Make sure this is the drive that you put in and not another one. You also want to confirm that it's a FAT32 that we're formatting to. Otherwise, it won't be able to be read by the PS4. Also, look at the quick format. Make sure this box is checked. Otherwise, it'll take much longer, and click Start. It is going to confirm it's going to wipe out all the data that will be erasing everything from this drive. Go ahead and click OK. And now our format is complete. Click OK again. Now we can go ahead and close this window. And we're going to go and open the web browser. Once the web browser is over, we're going to search for PlayStation 4 Update. And then go ahead and click Enter. Now here, you're going to get a couple results. It's probably either first or second results. Make sure it says PlayStation.com in the URL. Go ahead and click and open the link. This will take you to the Sony website. On this page, you'll see 2 different downloads. One is for a full reinstallation of your system. The other is an update file. The update is what we actually want to do. So we're going to go ahead and click this button here. Now here we want to make sure we're saving to the USB drive and that the file name is correct. This is very important. It should just say PS4 Update in all caps, no ones or parentheses or anything. If there are, just remove them. And then click Save. Now it'll take a few minutes maybe to download depending on your internet speed. But once that's complete, it should be on our USB drive. Let's go back into our File Explorer. Now in here we need to create a few more folders. So we're going to right click, go to New, then Folder. And the first one is called PS4 in all caps. Then go into that folder, right click again, go to New, Folder. We're going to name this one Update. It has to be named Update in all caps. And this is our folder structure that we need. Now we're going to go back. We're going to cut the file that we downloaded. We're going to go back into the PS4 folder and then into the update folder. Right click and then select paste. This will move the file into the update folder. Now at the top here you can see the file structure. We have the PS4 file, the update folder, and the PS4 update actual file inside the update folder. You can see it's about 440 megabytes. Yours could vary, it could be larger, depending on what update you're currently at. Now we just need to eject this. Right click on the thumb drive and select eject. When you click eject, you'll get a notification in the lower right hand corner of your computer screen saying it's safe to remove the USB drive. You can remove it safely now. We're ready now to do the actual update on the PS4. We're going to use our thumb drive and we're going to put it in the front USB ports. They can be a little bit tricky to fit some of these thumb drives in, so make sure it's in snug. Once it feels like it's in, you want to hold down the power button. It'll beep once, wait for the second beep. Once you hear the second beep, release. And you should come to this screen, which is the safe mode. Now what we need to do here is to plug in our PS4 controller into the PS4 with the USB cord, because it won't recognize it wirelessly. So go ahead and put that in. At this point, we need to press the PlayStation button on the PS4. This will bring us to this menu. Scroll down to Update System Software and select it. On the next menu, we want to select Update from USB Storage Device. Select that. And it's going to tell you it needs to have a certain version, which will be the newer version that you've already downloaded. Select OK. Now, I wanted to show you this error. This is a very common error that you can get while doing this update. This means possibly a few things. One, the easy one, thumb drive isn't fully plugged in to the PS4, which is our case here. The other possibilities are it wasn't formatted as a FAT32 file format, like we did in the very beginning, or the file and folder structure is not set correct. Remember, we had to have a PS4 folder, and then inside that an update folder, and then inside that the actual update file, and they all need to be named correctly. So check those things if you get this, and then try again. Now that we have this plugged in all the way, we're going to try this again. Go through the menus again, click OK. Next, we're going to get a notification that it's going to begin to update toward the version we downloaded, 7.5. Click OK. And it begins to actually copy the update file to the PS4. At this point, it's not actually installing it, it's just copying it. Once this process is complete, it's going to ask us to reboot. When it reboots, that's when the actual installation process will begin. It's really important that you don't unplug your PS4 while it's doing this process. Otherwise, it could probably cause you some serious issues. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this part of the video. Don't think you guys want to wait for the whole update process, though it is fairly quick. Towards the end, I will slow it down again so we can confirm the update version and how we do that. Now at this point it's rebooting, and it's going to actually start the installation here. Time. The install should be complete, and it looks good. We're getting back into the main system, And we're at the main screen. Here, I wanted to show you how you can actually confirm that you're on the right system software version. So we're going to go ahead over to the settings. And then here, this is our normal settings menu. But if we scroll down to the bottom, there's a system option, and we can go ahead and select that. And then select at the very top here, system information. And if you see here, it says system software 7.5. So our update was successful. And that's how you do a PS4 update. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped. And don't forget to subscribe and like.